guys, my name is Alexis and this product was sent to me so I could go ahead and take a look and show you guys what we've got here. So we have got a pitcher. This is gorgeous. As you can see, it came with the bubble wrap. So let me go ahead and get this out. It's got a really nice yellow handle here. I'm gonna break it before I even get it set up. And then we've got our lid here, which actually comes with a protective layer on top. And look at that, it's a nice gold. It's matching that yellow gold look we've got going on here. Looks like this is gonna be nice and tight around the top and it fits perfectly. So I'm super excited to try this out. You can then twist it so it's got holes so then we can pour our juice out, or I can just slide it so that it's secure and isn't going to leak. But this is perfect for in a fridge in the corner. So let's go ahead and get this filled up and test it out.